Hello everyone, in this tutorial I want to show you how to create a flow path and use export points to export your computational domain and blade into TurboGrid software. Here is a geometry of a Turbofan engine, and at first I want to suppress and hide the unnecessary bodies or surfaces. In order to do this, you can go to your bodies. For example, I don't want the HPC stator. I click on it and with right click go to suppress body or export. And for example, I don't want OG, but I want to remain this part. I just click on hide part and go now. After hiding all of unnecessary parts for bodies, we have just these blades and the case of the spool, and I use a sketch projection to define my flow path. According to your project, you can use a sketch projection to define the final geometry of, for example, inlet, outlet, or power shoe. But in my project, I should use a sketch projection and trim the extra lines to define the boundaries. I create flow paths for some stages, and now I want to create a flow path for the second stage of rotor. That this is my geometry that I want to create flow path. Now I go to plane, click on new sketch, changing him on to LPC R2, for example, hop. Go to sketching, click on line, go to dimension. I set the other dimensions in the previous points, and if I now define the diameter of a spool, it goes to override or over constraint geometry. Now I go to modeling and again define LPCR2 outlet, for example, no outlet. Go to sketching line. Yes, go to constraints. It's on vertical. Okay. Show that this vertical. Go to the fan plane. New sketch. LPC R2 show. Go to sketching and line. Now we can go to modeling tab, click on flow path. This is the LPC R2 flow path. Click on hop, select the hop, select the show, select the inlet. The inlet is the previous stage outlet. I click on LPCS2 outlet and click the outlet. It's not important that you define the type of machine, but you can define, for example, with pump, cylinder pump, axial compressor fan, radial turbine, axial turbine, and hydraulic turbine, and the direction of rotation. Click on generate, and you can see that my FlowPath is created. And the first step, I should define the blade surface. Click on the both. So my blade has just two surfaces, and if your blade have more surfaces around the blade, you can choose all of them. Click on right click, go to name section, apply. This is LPCR2 blade surface, generate. Click on export point. The flow path is flow and enter your the number of blades. For example, I enter 68. I think the blades are more than this one, but I now enter 60, and after I can change the number of blades. Blade surface, click apply, click on generate. Now the export point is checked. It means that you do right. I change the name to LPCR2 export point. Now it's done. You can add layers in FlowPath to ensure that your geometry is exported with great details. Click on generate, and you see that, for example, we have 5 layers here. I hope you like this video. If this happened, please click the like button under this video.